Hey everyone, so this is a pretty neat little video. I mean, it's nothing mind-blowing, but it's more of a way for you to work smarter and not harder. So, yeah, I don't know why I didn't think of doing this before, um, but here it is. Basically, what I have is a blog list with the blog list content here in a partial. And let me show you what that actually will get me, okay? So if I preview this page, I have a blog list, right? And so right now I'm on date, high to low. And so if I do this one, I'm sorry, this one's low to high, and then this one's high to low. This one's A to Z, and this one's Z to A. So this is a pretty, interesting, simple way to, create blog lists with, some sort of dynamic sorting, feature on a page. And so, it's pretty neat, right? But, what happens if you needed to, I don't know, instead of having the date over here, you wanted the date maybe underneath the title? Well, potentially that would be one, two, three, four times that you would have to, change the layout of the blog list. But instead of doing that, I have my blog list set up where the only thing I need to change would be something over here like oldest first, newest first, alphabetical, so on and so forth. And then, the same down here. So this one is set to oldest first, this one is set to newest first, this one is set to alphabetical ABC, and then this one is the reverse. And so now if I wanted to, I could just take this date and put it underneath that, go back, and then there you go. Now they're all the same. They're all changed. So I can, well, it's to the right. Here, let me fix that real quick. Just because it's going to drive me bonkers while I'm demoing. All right. There. So now the date is underneath the title on this one, this one, this one, and this one. So yeah, I think that's a pretty simple and effective solution, and I hope it helps you guys out. Maybe gives you some ideas of other ways you can use partials. But oh, let me show you one thing though. So we're used to being able to while we're in here, to being able to add summary or title or whatever stacks, right? So, just like a partial, you have to back out of it in order to see changes. But if you wanted to add something from the blog list, you're going to have to, first do the plus. Maybe you want, author, and then you're going to have to cut that, go in here and paste, and then put that wherever you want. So maybe you wanted that down here. So if I click on that, and now it's going to be, author is going to be to the right of vacation dreams and the date. So anyway, just a little caveat there. So while you're working, you got to back out, get the child stack that you want. So I guess my suggestion actually would be before you partialize something, if that's the word, partialize. My suggestion would be to go in here and build out your blog list the way you want it so you can work a bit more efficiently. And then maybe you can, once you've gotten it to where you want it, then you take your content here, go back into your partial if you've already created it, paste it, and then there you go. I don't have any media data, so there you go. But anyway, I hope this helps. I thought it was a pretty simple solution using partials. All right, bye.